Here we are, lesson 20 already. Okay, this one we're going to learn conditional sentences, like if-then sentences. That's going to be the grammar today. So here's your signs for the lesson. Add on to or additional. Admit or confess. You'll see that with one hand also. It's like what's on your chest, bring it out. I confess. I admit I did it. Okay, admit. Adult. Adult. You also see adult. Audience. You have people and then a whole crowd of them. Audience. I also I'll just do audience like that. Okay? Because, since, just you have your flat palm, your 5-hand fingers together. Because I don't use that too often. Brave. I'm brave. Bug. 3-hand shape. Finger on the nose. Bug or insect. Change. 2 hands. Index finger on your thumbs of both. Palm up on one hand and palm down on the other, and then just flip it to the opposite. Change. You change it. Kind of hard to explain this, but it'll be easier too when I'm in the room and you can see it. But I'm going to do it a few times here just so you kind of get the idea. Change. Change. Close the door. The door is open. Close that puppy. Close it. Control, manage, or direct. Again, the index finger and the thumb come together into kind of like this circular kind of hand shape. And you just control, direct, or manage. Count. F hand shape. And tap it up your palm of your base hand. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. Deny. Double knots. You know the sign for not? 2 of them. Denied. Kind of fun. Denied. Divide or split. These 2 hands are together. Like that. Kind of cross together and then divide or split. Equal, fair, even. Exchange. 2 F hand shapes. Like that. And then you just kind of flip them over each other. I'm going to exchange that. Okay? I'm going to switch it. I'm going to trade with you. I'm going to trade with you. I'm going to be the student and you be the teacher. Let's switch. Okay? Follow. It's like your base hand is in front, your dominant hand is behind, and it follows. Shadows. Forbid, illegal, base hand, palm. L on your dominant hand, hit it. That is illegal. It's forbidden. It's prohibited. Honestly, it is. H hand shape across your palm. Honest. Honest. Honor. Again, H hand shape. Honor. I honor you. Honor. If that finger spelled loan sign again, we'll get more into that like we did with job. If it's kind of the same thing. It's a quick IF and it kind of turns into that. If, and we're going to learn if-then sentences. So if sign you understand not, too bad, go home. No, I'm just kidding. If, I'll help you with that. Don't panic. Be careful. Or keep. Same sign. Lessen or reduce. We're going to reduce it. We're going to lessen it. Okay? Let, allow, or permit. I will let you do that. I will permit you to do that. I will allow you to do that. Limit. Let's see. Your base hand is low. Your dominant hand is high. Limit. 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 Trying to get it so you can see it better on the camera. It's not working, but limit. Mean. Ugh. Okay. Mean. It's kind of like your hands are like this to start out with. One's by your mouth. The dominant one's by your mouth. The other one's out in front, and you just kind of scrunch them together. Mean. Oh, you're so mean. Not the sign for what does that mean, but you're a mean person. You're cruel. Okay? Mean. Measure. Two Y's. Let's measure that. Multiply. 2, multiply. Against, opposed, I'm going to sue you, anything like that is this. Prejudice, discrimination. Opposite. Two fingers are together, then they go apart. They're opposite. Also, you'll see that for the sign for allergic. Postpone. 2 F hand shapes, move forward. Let's postpone today's lesson until after Christmas. I'm kidding. Postpone. Prison. Like these are the jail things. Prison. Proceed. Get going. Let's move on. Carry on. Anything like that. That's what this means. Go ahead. Okay. Punish. Penalty. Your punishment. Okay. Reject. Out of here. Goodbye. Relatives. They're showing this for relatives. I just like to do family for relatives. Relatives, relatives. This is my sign for it. Remove or discard. You just take it off. Separate or apart. It's like your knuckles are kind of together and then you move them apart. So you separate them. Shame. Shame. Just kind of, your fingers behind you and then they come out like, whoop. Shame. Shame. Subtract. It's a lot like remove or discard. Subtract. Vote. F handshake. Now remember T, we circled it. Vote, you go in and out. Vote. And waste. Waste. Kind of start with a fist and then you waste it. Throw it away. There it goes. And here I go because we're done with vocabulary. See you in a bit. Bye.